Alright.
Is that fucking grafting tape?
Hey man, don't ask questions.
Alright, bro. I don't know how well that's gonna hold.
Fuck it. It'll have to hold enough, I guess.
Yeah, if you get enough of it, it'll work. While you're in like the perfect blowjob point of view.
Alright. Alright. Here we go.
Here we go. It's kind of moving already.
Here we go.
It's God's perspective. 22. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at Scooter. Scooter don't know what's going on. Oh, this shit's dizzy.
Oh my god, it's fucking going. I'm gonna laugh when it fucking flies off and hits the wall.
Hit your fucking television right in the center of the screen.
Oh, don't say that, don't say that, don't say that. Don't fucking say that, bud.
Oh shit. She just hit the thing.
Alright.
This is all your fault, Bubba.
Fuck yeah, I didn't even think of that.